Hello friends, how are you everyone? Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं सब लोग? I hope everyone is in good health. So guys, today I'm going to make samosa and I'm going to make two different flavors, that is potato samosas and chicken samosa. So let's get started. So friends, I'm taking 1 pound of boneless chicken and I have to grind it. This is look like it's chopped. So guys, let's start cooking. I'm going to turn on my stove. So guys, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half cup of onion cut in very small pieces. It's very small. Saute for 3 minutes until it gets little pink. Okay, so now you can see it's look like a little bit pinkish. So now I'm going to add some more spices. Ginger, half teaspoon. Garlic, 1 teaspoon. Green chili, 1/4 teaspoon as per your taste. I don't like so much spicy, but if you like it, you can put more. Red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon or as per your taste. Turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Oregano powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt as per your taste. Now mix everything together, and in the end we're going to add chicken and mix it well. I'm going to add 1 glass of water and let it cook. So guys, this is 1 kg of potato, mashed potato, and I'm going to put some spices on it. So first what we're gonna do is, let me turn on the stove, and here I'm putting 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, when you hear this sound, then we can put this all in the potato. Half teaspoon of green chili, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, black pepper as per your taste, salt as per your taste. This is coriander leaf. I'm putting half at least, or let me see. Yeah, this much is enough, and I will check it out later if I need it. So let's mix everything together. This is chicken basically, and there is no water anymore. It should be dry. So now I'm going to turn off my stove. So guys, now this is ready. This is my chicken and this is my potato. So now I'm going to give the barbecue taste, and this is the charcoal I'm going to use. Here I'm putting it, and let's wait for it becomes red. So friends, let me check. I feel that this is little. Oh, this is look like a little red. So now I'm going to put this one here, and putting some oil and do it like this. So guys, let's check this one. It's also look little red, and I'm going to put here. And the next step is put some oil and do it like this. Okay guys, let's check. This is almost done, but be careful, you have to be very careful because this is very hot actually. So friends, this is the chicken, and I'm going to add coriander leaf in my chicken. Guys, I'm using this spring roll sheet. As you see, this is in a square, and I'm going to cut this sheets. Okay, so this is our size of making. Now we have two batters. This is the chicken one here, and this is the potato one. So first what I do is I will take this is called atta. 1 tablespoon is good, and I'm going to add some little water and just mix it. If you see my egg roll video, this is the same thing we did. I need some more water. Put a little bit, okay? And then this paste, we're going to use it. Okay guys, so this is done. This is the samosas patti, and then I'm going to start making. And then you have to turn like this, and this is the sticky one paste that you have to apply over here and turn. You see? So this is potato one, okay? Now again you have to turn like this, here like this, and I'm going to add this one, chicken. Okay, and this goes here, turn, and we have to paste it. Like this. So guys, I already turned on my stove and I'm going to fry it. This is the chicken one, okay? putting the potato one. So let me turn off my stove. This is done. So friends, I'm not going to fry all of these samosas. So this is the coriander chutney or coriander. You can get it from any Indian store. So here I'm putting, and we're going to taste it. So this is the samosas, and now I'm going to taste it. So friends, now let's taste our samosas. So what is this? This is the potato one, and I wanna dip in green chutney. Very nice. I feel so hungry. The batter is very nice. Okay, I will eat later on. And this one is the chicken one. So I'm going to dip in tomato ketchup. Very crispy. Yummy. This is not much spicy actually. Kids can also eat. So guys, did you like this recipe? I hope you like it. So please subscribe my channel if you like my recipes, and also from now I can take orders for this samosa, and I can give you my email address if anybody need to order me. At least you can order 1 dozen, and in 1 dozen minimum is 1 dozen, so in 1 dozen it's 12 samosas. So anybody need to purchase samosas, I can make it for you, but this is only for New Jersey people. And I hope guys you like my recipes, and also after this video I can give you my email address, so anybody need any orders I can reply you through email. So thank you very much guys, and once again please share my recipes, and if you didn't subscribe me yet, please subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for watching my video, my channel. Take care. Bye bye.